Hi, it's Cooking Girl here, and today I'm gonna show you how to cook pancakes on the milk. You need the milk, olive oil, sugar, flour, 3 eggs, and salt. First step is you need to get the 3 eggs and crack them into the bowl. Before you mix, you need to get 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. And then you can mix and slowly add half a cup of milk. Then, when it's all mixed in, you can add a cup of flour and then mix until there's no little balls left. And when there's no balls left, you can slowly add the other half of the cup of milk. And then when it's all mixed up, you can add 1 tablespoon of oil. Actually 3. And when the olive oil is all mixed in, you can leave the mixture for 10 minutes. You need to put the olive oil on and then just spread it. But only put it for the first pancake. And you need to, and the pancakes are done after 30 seconds. And when you see that the pancake is a little bit darker, it's ready, and you can flip it or put it on a plate if you already flipped it. Like and subscribe.